Welcome to our Texas OU edition of Fox 7 Friday Football. We have John High's Red River Rivalry Report on deck. But first, an abbreviated look at the Week 7 in high school football. We start at Monroe Stadium in Northwest Austin, and here we go again with District 25 5A, which proved to be our area's version of the SEC last year. Marquee matchups involving state-ranked caliber teams every week. The state's fourth-ranked squad, Vandegrift, hosting number 10 Vista Ridge. Winner keeps pace with number 1 ranked Cedar Park. And just like last year's 56-52 game between these two, a ton of offense. First drive, you had Rangers' Matt Snow, 42-yard pass to Cody Williams, 7-zip Vista Ridge. First play for Vandy's offense, guess who? Travis Brandon. Who else? 65-yard touchdown run, game tied at 7. He was a Fox 7 Player of the Week earlier this season. Story of the first half, though, was Snow for Vista Ridge. 45-yard touchdown run here. He accounts for 7 touchdowns in the first half. Rangers leading right now, 49-35. They are just starting the third.